Copy, Tango Papa, contact tower 118.3, bye-bye.
To the tower, thank you very much, Tango 5. Tower, good afternoon, November 60 Tango Papa on the ILS runway 28.
November 60 Tango Papa Tower, good afternoon, wind 250 degrees 37 knots, correction, wind 250 degrees 37 knots, gusting 50, runway 28, clear to land.
Clear to land 28, parking is south here, thank you, Tango Papa.
Sure, after landing you can expect to vacate if able, then first left via the runway intersection Echo or Mike.
I do my best or rather a quick backtrack, minimum runway occupancy. Three greens, no reds. Landing checklist is completed. Check.
Minimum.
Continue.
200.
Number 60 Tango Papa, make it left on runway 19, taxi down the runway, then make it left Sierra 1.
Runway 19 and left 01, thank you. Thank you.
Wind 250 and less than 50 knots.
Affirmative.
Okay, it's now 250 degrees, but it's gusting up to 55.